Hello. Today I wanted to recommend some more sites for you to practice English. We start off with The New Yorker and The Comma Queen. This is Mary Norris. She has called herself the Comma Queen. This is naturally in jest. She has produced 2 seasons, 32 episodes, and as you can see, these are videos about different topics related to language. Dangling participles, a typical problematic area, none, singular or plural, that versus which. And look at that. Here you have actually 2 videos for the singular use of there, and that's a very interesting topic actually. Okay, these videos are kind of tongue-in-cheek. She's adorable. I strongly recommend all of them. But something I wanted to tell you also is that you will see there's going to be a bit of an overlap with the videos you find on Merriam-Webster, and that's also interesting because maybe they will give you a different perspective on the same topic. The second site I recommend is this one, CopyEdit This. Here you get quiz number 1. There are about 17 or I think fewer than 20. That merits another video, fewer or less. There will be videos on that, I can guarantee, and entries in the dictionaries and usage notes and usage paragraphs and whatnot. This one is very difficult. It's as if you were a copy editor at the New York Times. This is from the New York Times, and you needed to edit or edit out all the mistakes writers make when writing. It is very good, very difficult. It comes with answers, so how bad can it be? Worldwide Words. This is by Michael Kinyon, right? This guy over here who's actually a physical scientist, right? He's got nothing to do with, beautiful expression here, bit of a dog's body. He has nothing to do with languages, but that's what tends to happen in Great Britain, maybe in the US too, maybe other English-speaking countries. People really love their language and they're interested in it. Well, he started out this site. It's a wonderful site. Actually, he has said goodbye, right? In this message, he tells us that he's done with it. But you can search worldwide words for expressions, idioms, and usually he will tell you the story of an idiom, how it came to be, or that we do really know what people say, how an idiom came to be is really true or not. It is amazing. I strongly recommend it. Then we're going to start with Style Manuals. This is the Chicago Manual on Style, of Style Online. It's a wonderful source, really fantastic. Of course you can buy the book, right? But notice it says that this is indispensable reference for writers, editors, proofreaders, indexers, copywriters, designers, and publishers. What are copywriters? It's a difficult word in English because copy means text, right? So people who write text. So you have all kinds of information. You can go to the Chicago Style Q&A and you can browse a Q&A and you get all these types of questions about, I don't know, how to use plurals, how to use prepositions, proper names, punctuation, fact-checking, commas, compounds. Oh, honestly, this is a very exciting read, and the editors who write the answers are fun. I promise you, this is a very good source. I think it's one of my favorite. I love all of these. Okay, another style guide. You can go to The Guardian and The Observer Style Guide, and it is alphabetized, so you can go, I don't know, let's say D. And you get to the dangling participles, also known as hanging participles, and you get a longish explanation as to how to use and what is a dangling participle, right? And then you get lots of words here, right? How to spell them, how to use them, and whatnot. The same happens in the BBC News Style Guide. You can go to topics, to the alphabetized section, and I think I wanted to check out something else. While this is loading, we can, oh, here it is. Let me just check something I want. Well, here we go to capitals, right? How to use capitals, a very complex topic, right? Report, speech, singular, plural. Well, these are very interesting entries. Khan Academy. My browser does not seem good enough for Khan Academy, but Khan Academy is amazing. I strongly recommend this site. This is where you can learn, take any kind of class. It was meant, I think, originally for secondary school students in the US, but you can actually get all kinds of courses in mathematics, in science, engineering, arts and humanities. So you can study US history, world history, US government, art history, grammar, storytelling, test preparation like SAT, LSAT, GMAT, and whatnot. All of this for primary school, secondary school, and college level. So honestly, it is amazing. It is perfect. Now, for literature, I recommend the Paris Review, right? It's an excellent source. From here, I am using The Crane Wife, beautiful short story. And another literary source is Granta, the magazine of new writing. In both cases, it's not that everything is available for free, but you will find many stories that are free. So, the same goes for the Paris Review, right? Then Vox Explainers. These are very short videos that explain something. Sorry, now, of course, coronavirus is there. Well, it is all over the place. But you can also go to Vox, and this is a news outlet which appears online, and it is very popular, and it has plenty of very good information. Okay, now then the Stanford Encyclopedia of Philosophy. Notice the spelling in American English, not an AE, not a digraph. And in this case, I looked up cognition, right, and I got all kinds of entries on cognition. This is very academic. So be careful, because this is not just an ordinary encyclopedia, right? This is an encyclopedia for people at university. It is really very good, right? All right, last but not least, I wanted to take you here to the BBC University Challenge. Here you get a very good explanation of what this is, an academic quiz show where teams of students from UK universities answer questions on all manner of subjects. So, well, if you like these kinds of things, you will learn about different topics naturally. So it is very, very useful. Okay, I hope this has been useful for you. Bye.